Kumja lising amaga chamapan marifudara humdoida Manipurda Naga Kuki ki irang kanba matamda state asida PR thamnanaba BJP ki MP Susma Swaraj ki maikaidagi Prime Minister da Paokhum Peeyu Haina Taksinkhide masina matamaduda opposition oina laikiba BJP na ruling party bu kadai fauba ikai khumnei haiba takle haina hojik Finance Minister oiriba Nirmala Sitharaman na phongdokre thasi ki tang tara da Parliament ki Lok Sabha da Manipur gi English ngani kunga manga kunga taruki budget puthok ki bagaloina na ngarang general discussion pangthok ki bada Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman na house tham ki ba ma ki warolda English ngamaga chamapan marifudara humdoi gi matamda nagago ki irangda Prime Minister amasung Home Minister na Parliament ta debate tawbada sarukya ki bra hangki matamaduda Congress amadi Gaurav Gogoi kadaida laikibage irangna sokhalaba Manipur da English ngamaga chamapan Marifudara Marida PR Thamnanaba motion move tawbada matamadugi Prime Minister Natraga Home Minister na Paokhum Pikide Minister of State for Home Affairs na Paokhum Pikibani handak amuk thokliba irang asida Home Minister Masamak Manipur chatuna ahing ahum leiduna fibam yengsinki masida natana Minister of State for Home Affairs Nityananda Rai Fauba Tha ahum leiki Nagakuki gi irangda miyoi chatrat yankai sikiba amadi yum chahumga yankai tungkiba aduda matamaduda Prime Minister oiramba Congress ki luchingba adu Manipur da chatkibra hainasu hangki amaromda Okram Ibobina Chief Minister oiramba matamda Manipur da numit chatruka kungani pan bantauki haiba masana phongdoki
Kumar Dorendra Singh of the Congress was the Chief Minister of Manipur. A major flare-up between Kukis and Nagas happened between April and December 1993. 750 deaths and destruction of around 350 villages happened in Manipur. At that time, the Prime Minister was P.V. Narasimha Rao and the Home Minister was Shankar Rao Chavan. They did not even participate in the parliamentary debates. So where was Gogoi that time? Where was the Congress party that time? Did they ask them to come and speak? Did they ask them to go to Manipur? No. Similarly, sir, this despite when the violence happened, when people were in camps, Honorable Home Minister Amit Shah ji went there, spent 3 nights. And after that, I can't see MOS home, Nityanand Rai ji stayed there for 3 months. खुद गए थे और हर कैंप में गए और लोगों से बात की मगर आपके समय पर आप डिस्कशन पार्लियामेंट में भागीदारी भी नहीं दिखाया और आपके मंत्रीगण नहीं गए और जवाब देने में भी आपको संकोच था. And during the tenure of the Chief Minister of Manipur, Congress leader Ibobi Singh admitted that Manipur witnessed 628 bunds during his period. Blockades during the last 15 years from 1995 till June 2010 under Congress in center and Congress in state, causing huge loss to the tune of 2,828 crore in the state. So the possible worst blockade in Manipur happened in 2011, lasting over 120 days, causing severe shortages of essential commodities. Petrol prices were beyond 200 per litre. LPG costed 2,000 rupees per cylinder, and this was during their time, both in Manipur and in the central government. So with this kind of a neglect, I hope Congress party doesn't speak about Manipur as to who's witnessing, who's going, who's not.